It contains historical data, summarized data, current data. So coming to next scenario, data warehouse contains some properties. First property is integrated data. Integrated data means extract data from different sources and store it in the destination database. That is what integrated data. After that, it is denormalized data. Denormalized means opposite to normalization, because it contains less number of tables. By using them, we are going to work with the data warehouse and analysis. Coming to next scenario, it is non-volatile data. That means once data entered into data warehouse database, then we are not going to make modifications, right? So whatever the data we extracted from the source, we are going to use it for analysis purpose. Coming to next scenario, subject oriented data. Subject oriented means suppose we are working with the sales data, we can perform sales based analysis, product based analysis, time based analysis. After that, it is time variant. I mean any kind of analysis, like like yearly analysis, half yearly analysis, quarterly analysis can be done. These are all properties of the data warehouse properties. You have to remember every scenario. After that, we have to discuss about the OLAP, online analytical process. That means by using data warehouse database, we are going to perform different types of analysis. Just now only we discussed different scenarios. Everything is possible with OLAP technology. So in the same way, we have to discuss about fact table and dimension table. What is the meaning of fact table and dimension table? See, fact table and dimension table, of course, these are the tables we extracted from the source only. Here, fact table contains actual data, whatever we are using for analysis purpose, data warehouse. In the same way, whatever the table we extracted from the source data table, actual data table, that is called as a fact table. In the same way, whatever the primary key columns and summarized columns from the source table, we are going to extract, we are going to take those columns and we are going to make it as another table, that is called as a fact table. So why we are creating fact table again? Because we already have dimension table, right? Why we are going for fact table again? See, now basically your database should contain less tables, less relations also. So now if your database, if you want to keep less tables, less relations, less scenarios in your database, then you have to go for less number of tables, but that we can do by using fact dimension tables only. In the same way, we have to discuss about schema concept. Schema means it is a collection of fact table and dimension tables. So we have different types of schemas, but we are going to use star schema only. Star schema means every dimension table connects to fact table only. So here if you touch fact table, then every dimension table will be there. Of course, we have snowflake schema also, but in snowflake schema, what happens, every dimension table connects to fact table in the same way sub-dimension table also. That's why we are not going to use. Coming to next scenario, in SSAS environment, we are going to store data in the form of cube. Cube means it is a collection of fact tables, dimension tables, but it contains multi-dimensional data. It means column names, row names will be there. Coming to next scenario, after creating cube, we go for Deployment. After deployment, SSAS database will be created. We can access SSAS database by using Management Studio. In the same way, by writing MDX queries, multi-dimensional expression queries, we are going to extract data from the SSAS database and we can go for remaining scenarios. So that means first we have to create cube, deploy MDX. These are really important to us. So for that, first let me connect to Management Studio. After that, connected to data tools as administrator, because we have to go for deployment cube. Now go to file, select new project, analysis services project. Provide project name as SSIS underscore, suppose Lakshman. Okay. So this is SSAS. First, Solution Explorer, project name. You have to create data source. So source database is AdventureWorks. Go for new connection. Select source server name. Select source database name. AdventureWorks DW database. Please remember. Next, select use service account. This is data source name. Finish. Then we have to create data source view. That means the tables, fact dimension tables we use. New data source, right click. This is the source name. So these tables, they're in the database. We have to select required tables. Suppose I need fact internet table. Select and add. Product table, dimension tables. Date table, in the same way customer table. So these tables I'm using. Next, this is data source view name and finish. Then create cube. Right click on new cube. Use existing tables only. Here we have to select measure group table. Measure group. Measure group means fact table. Select only fact table. These are the columns existing in the. One second, I did some mistake here. Yeah. Select fact internet sales. Unselect column. Just we have to select only summarized column. Suppose I need order quantity, sales amount. Select those columns. Here we have to select dimension tables. See that even fact table also selected as dimension table. Unselect it. Provide cube name. Suppose I am giving cube name as sales underscore yes. Finish it. Now we have to go for deployment. How to deploy? So, and before that, if you want to deploy the cube, we need report server name. So we can get report server name like this. Right click on your server name, connect. Here select analysis services and select server name like this. Use it like this. Right click on project name, go to properties, go to deployment, and here provide your analysis server name. and right click, deploy. Done. So now this is cube design window. Here we have different tabs. Please check it. We are going to work with every tab here. That is what SSAS development. First, check this fact table, columns there. Go to order date table, click on edit button. See that only date key column is there. So from data source view table, we have to add remaining columns. Suppose I need a month name. In the same way, calendar year, calendar quarter columns required. Just save them. Okay.
So,
Next,
excellent.
tell me, Lakshman.
When you deploy this data, the table, where it goes? Like when you
It goes
deploy.
to database created, SSAS database created. I'll show that. Just wait for a few minutes, okay?
Yeah. And
Again, go back to, tell me, please.
one more thing, this adventure work like 2012. This is the not a table, right? This is a
Database.
database. This is how
Right,
they have a lot of file.
right.
And what
I
about
think
this?
I already created the database in our server. Let us
Yeah,
do it.
I look at, but we haven't used that much that one. But
And because
I
this purpose only we did it.
I see a lot of things there. So it is. So
Okay.
I cannot
Good luck.
couldn't understand. So
Because there are a lot of tables, but we use only required tables, right, Lakshman?
yeah.
So again, go back to Sales Cube design window, go to product table, edit product, drag and drop column names. Suppose I need product name column, I need color column, and in the same I need model name. Save it and go for deploy. Done. In the same way, go back to Sales Cube design window, open dim customer, edit customer table, add column. Suppose I need first name, last name, gender, email address, address, I'm sorry, phone number. These columns required. Save it. So we added required columns to the table. Again, what to do? We have to go for deploy, because if you make changes to cube, you have to deploy. Then only the changes will be applied on SSAS database. So right click and deploy. It is done. Now in Management Studio, we will connect to Management Studio, right? Right click connect. Here we have to select analysis services. I'm sorry, analysis services server name. Right, connect. Go to databases, open database view like this. So in this way, we are going to work with analysis services. After that, we have to do some other scenarios. Uh, let's do one thing. Next step, we have to go for report creation and some other things. But I don't know whether you have AdventureWorks DW database or Lakshmi have database. Arish, what about you? You have AdventureWorks DW database in your laptop?
No, I don't have any database.
I think the
Okay.
adventure work database you just I have only one. Just only table. Look like it's only one table.
One second, please. Harish, మీ
Sir,
ఒకసారి మెలడీ నాకు టైప్లో. Lakshman, please share your screen. Show me database. Adventure Works DW. Yeah, no. Lakshman, maximize this management studio once, please. Drag it. DW is there.
This one?
DW. No, next. Adventure Works DW. Lakshman. Open tables. See that? Okay,
Yeah,
na?
this is a lot of table, but I don't know what is about this. Let me.
That is only for practical purpose, Lakshman. Whatever the tables are selected now in cube creation, just go through them only. Okay, na? Okay?
Okay. So I have this table, but what they really, I mean, related to what item like this?
This is related to data warehouse. DW means data warehouse database, Lakshman. So
Okay.
if you want to perform any kind of data warehouse operations, we need uh, this type of tables. Okay, no?
So last time you deployed the one, the just one table we created. It you deploy where is gone? Like you show me, it came back to the new other server.
Which database you are asking, deployed or restored?
Yeah, we just deployed one, right?
No, we have not deployed anything in our machine because we just restored database.
No. Deploy. When you show the practice, yes, the practice we
Oh,
just see.
now you have to create a cube. After that only you can see the database, right, Lakshman?
Yeah,
Here, what to do, just take right click on Lakshman. Take right click on Lakshman, server name, top. Where is
on the
Lakshman?
top. Uh-huh.
Right click, connect,
Yeah.
select server type analysis services.
Okay.
Right, click on connect button.
Not a local.
No problem, connect. Let me check. See that. There you got. Open databases. Go to down left side.
This
Open
one.
database. Yeah. There is no database right now because you are not yet created. You have to create cube, then you have to deploy it. After that only you can see database there. Okay.
So now we have to go through like that cube and then give the server name
Right.
and then it's gonna come here and we're gonna see.
Right, Lakshman. Harish, please share your screen, Harish. I already sent you database backup file.
oh,
హరీష్ ఈరోజు 9:30
hello, sir. Sir, 9:30.
అవును
India time 9:30.
రైట్
India time 9:30.
కంటిన్యూ క్లిక్ అండ్ కంటిన్యూ 11 o'clock అవుతుంది మీకు ఈస్టర్న్ టైం డౌన్లోడ్ డైరెక్ట్ డౌన్లోడ్ after download copy that file from downloads folder to C drive. Okay,
Okay, sir.
minimize it and meanwhile connect to management studio, Harish. Show in folder, yeah. Like copy to C drive. Copy. Go to C drive.
Sir,
Click on C, Hari.
yeah, in C.
Yeah, just paste it somewhere. Go to download. Right to the paste it. Continue. Right, go to Management Studio. Close this window. Yeah. Right click on no. Right click on databases. Sorry. Right, not database folder file. Right click this.
Sir,
అక్కడే కదా databases అని ఉంది
ఇది
కదా.
హరీష్ 2 కి కనెక్ట్ అయింది, హరీష్ 1 కి connect.
Yeah, right, connect కొడుతుంది. Right click on databases. Restore database. Device. Click on button opposite to device. Harish. Add. Scroll it up and click on C drive. Select backup file. Okay. So now you can practice it. Okay, na?
Sir, this database is for SSAS or everything?
SSAS only.
Okay. Sir, I need other databases also.
Very good కావాలా నేను ఫైల్ షేర్ చేస్తే ఇట్లా రిస్టోర్ చేసుకోగలుగుతాను కదా.
Yeah, I can do.
1 second నేను చేస్తాను. పాపం స్టోరీస్ ఎట్లా ఉంటాయంటే ఒక్కొక్కలే
ఏమైంది?
వేరే వాళ్ళు ఎవరో వేరే కన్సల్టెన్సీ నుంచి అటెండ్ అయ్యారు. ట్రైనింగ్ కమ్ ప్లేస్మెంట్ ప్రామిస్ చేశారు. వాళ్ళు ట్రైనింగ్ పైసలు కట్టేశారు ఆల్రెడీ. ట్రైనింగ్ ఎండింగ్ వచ్చింది. వాడు మిగతా డబ్బులు కట్టమంటాడు. వీడేం ప్లేస్మెంట్ అయ్యాక కడతామంటారు వీళ్ళు. వీడేమో నాకు డబ్బులు ఇవ్వకుండా ఆపిండు. వాళ్ళు మొత్తం కట్టలేదు అంటారు. వాళ్ళు ఆల్రెడీ $400 కట్టేశారు. వాళ్ళేమో నాకు మెయిల్స్ పెడుతున్నారు. ఊరికే సార్ వాళ్ళు నన్ను మోసం చేశాడు, మీరు రైస్ పంపించున్నారు, నాకు పెడుతున్నారు. ఏం చేయాలి? యాజ్ ఎ ట్రైనర్ మనం ఆలోచిస్తే వాళ్ళకి హెల్ప్ చేయాలి. కమర్షియల్గా ఆలోచిస్తే నాకు డబ్బులు ఇవ్వలేదు నేను ఎందుకు చేయాలని ఫీలింగ్లో మనం ఉండాలి. మన దగ్గర ఏమో అంత కమర్షియల్ స్టఫ్ లేదు.
ఇక్కడ ఇండియాలో ఉన్నట్టు ఉండొచ్చు, అంత ఇక్కడ పిచ్చి ఉంటారు.
అది కన్సల్టెన్సీ వాళ్ళు కొంతమంది దారుణం చేస్తున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు ఇతను ఉన్నాడు కదా వేరే అతను పెద్ద దరిద్రుడు, దొంగవాడు. సరే ఓకే హరీష్ అండ్ లక్ష్మణ్, then see you tomorrow same time. Okay
sir.
You say like you gonna
Friday I cannot attend. Tomorrow I can attend.
You say you will
no, weekend we will do that weekend, Lakshman. I need more time because I have to change user account. Is an operating system. I have to change all accounts. It takes around 2 hours, so that's why. Okay na?
Okay, so
just meanwhile today you practice SSAS, but SSRS deployment scenario I will resolve it in the weekend. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry, Lakshman.
Sure.
And Harish, Friday I cannot take class. Lakshman and Harish. Okay,
yeah, no problem.
Sure, no problem.